Good day, grade 8 students. So for this video, we will discuss about factoring trinomials in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c. Right? So here are the points to remember in factoring ax squared plus bx plus c. First, if the terms of a trinomial do not have a common factor, then the terms of a binomial factor cannot have a common factor. Second, if the constant term of a trinomial is positive, the constant terms of the binomials have the same signs as the coefficients of x in the trinomial. Thirdly, if the constant term of a trinomial is negative, the constant terms of a binomial have the opposite signs. Okay, so yan yung mga points na kailangan nating alalahanin in factoring ax squared plus bx plus c. Okay, so how to factor ax squared plus bx plus c or simply trinomial? Kailangan first una nyong intindihin or alalahanin na yung middle term natin or yung x, itong nasa middle term, should not be equal to 1. Okay? So, kailangan hindi siya 1. Dapat meron siyang coefficient. May kasama siyang coefficient dito sa middle term. Okay? And then after that, unang natin gagawin is we will multiply the inner and outer term. Okay? Itong inner term, that's c times x. Itong nasa inner. Ayan. Nasa inner. And ito namang outer term which is ax times c. Po. And then secondly, get the sum of the inner and outer terms. So, after you get the product of the inner and outer term, ang gagawin nyo lang is i-add nyo silang dalawa. Opo, i-add nyo yung product ng inner and outer term. And then after that, the sum is equal to the middle term. After you get the sum of the product of the inner and outer term, yun na yung middle term natin. Okay, so para mas maintindihan nyo, let's have an example here. So for example, we have 2x squared plus 9x plus 9. Right, so una nyong gagawin is you get, of course, the factors of first and last term. So we have 2x squared. Ano yung factors ng 2x squared? That's 2x times x. Okay? So we have 2x times x. And then after you get the factors of the first term, ito namang last term natin. So we have 9. So meron tayong several factors of 9. So ang gagawin nyo lang, mag-iisip kayo ng dalawang numbers or two pair of numbers na kapag minultiply nyo, ang sagot is itong 9 or itong nasa last term natin. So ilist natin lahat. So we have 1 times 9, 9 times 1, and 3 times 3. Okay? Now, itong first or factors ng first term natin, ito na yung nasa first term ng kada binomial natin. Okay, so we have 2x and x. Yan. Yan na yung first term ng binomial natin. So, ang gagawin lang natin para ma-check natin lahat, isa-isahin natin. So, we have 2x plus 1 times the quantity of x plus 9. Next, we have 2x plus 9 times the quantity of x plus 1. And then itong pangatlo, we have 2x plus 3 times the quantity of x plus 3. Okay, so sabi doon sa una, again, i-multiply daw yung inner and outer term. So we have the inner term, 1 times x, that is equal to x. And next, itong outer term naman i-multiply natin. 2x times 9, that is equal to 18x. Ayan, 18x. Bakit may nilagay akong plus dito sa pagitan ng x and 18x? Because yung nasa second rule natin, kailangan daw we get the sum of the product of inner and outer term. So ang gagawin natin, i-add lang natin yung nakuha nating product. So x plus 18x, that is equal to 19x. And then after that, after you get the sum of the product of the inner and outer term, sabi sa pangatlo, yung sum daw is equal to the middle term. Now, since ito ay 19x, nasa middle term, 9x yung nasa middle term natin, and itong nakuha natin is 19x, ibig sabihin mali ito. Okay? This is not the factored form. So, try naman natin itong pangalawa. We have 2x plus 9 times the quantity of x plus 1. First, we get the product of the inner term. 9 times x, that is equal to 9x. And then yung outer term naman, 2x times 1, that is equal to 2x. And then we get the sum, 9x plus 2x, that is equal to 11x. Right? So, since hindi rin siya parehas sa middle term natin, mali din ito. Yan. Cancel na natin yan. X na X. Next, itong pangatlo, itong last factored form natin, try natin. We have 2x plus 3 times the quantity of x plus 3. First, get the product of the inner term. 3 times x, that is equal to 3x. Then outer term naman, 2x plus times 3, that is equal to 6x. Okay? And then, i-add lang natin. 3x plus 6x, that is equal to 9x. Now, since if you observe parehas silang dalawa, ibig sabihin ito na yung tamang factored form natin. So, this is the final answer. We have 2x plus 3 times the quantity of x plus 3. Right? So, paano nyo malalaman kung ito ba talaga? You simply multiply using FOIL method. 2x times 3, that is equal to 2x squared. And then outer, 2x times 3, that is equal to 6x. Inner, 3 times x, that is equal to 3x. Last term, 3 times 3, that is equal to 9. Now, since parehas lang naman yung ginawa natin dito, ito, nag-equate siya sa 6x plus 3x, that is equal to 9x. Ibig sabihin, tama yung nakuha nating factored form. Ayan. So, this is now the final answer. We have 2x plus 3 times the quantity of x plus 3. Alright, so I hope you get that. So, kung hindi pa, marami pa tayong examples dito. So, let me clear this one and let's proceed to our next example. We have 2x minus 13x plus 15. So, we have here a negative middle term. So, unang gagawin, we get the factors of the first term, 2x squared. So, ano-ano yon? We have 2x times x. And then after that, ito namang last term natin, 15. So, we have to get the factors of 15. So, mag-iisip tayo ng dalawang numbers na kapag minultiply natin, ang sagot is itong 15. So, we have 15. Ilista natin, 1 times 15. 15 times 1, 3 times 5, 5 times 3. Alright? So, pwede din namang negative 1 times negative 15 para maging positive. We have negative 15 times negative 1, negative 3 times negative 5, and negative 5 times negative 3. Right? So, isa-isahin natin. So, dito tayo sa may negative sign. Yan. Ito ang kunin natin. Since yung middle term natin is negative sign, ang itatry natin is itong may mga negative sign. Okay? So we have 2x times the quantity 2x minus 1 times the quantity of x minus 15. 2x minus 15 times the quantity of x minus 1 negative 2x minus 3 times the quantity of x minus 5 and 2x minus 5 times the quantity of x minus 3. Okay, sige. Let's try. First na nagagawin natin is we use the FOIL method para mas madali. I-FOIL method natin sila. So we have 2x times x that is equal to 2x squared. Outer term, 2x times negative 15 that is equal to negative 30x. Negative 1 times positive x that is equal to negative x. Negative 1 times negative 15 is equal to positive 15. Then after that, we combine the like terms. Copy muna natin si 2x squared, then subtract natin. Negative 30x minus x that is equal to negative 31x. Bakit naging negative 31x? Because they have the same sign. So ang gagawin natin, we will add and retain the same sign. Okay, kakopy lang natin yung sign niya na negative. Then, copy 15. So, ang titingnan lang natin kung pagkaparehas ba silang dalawa dito sa original form natin. Since hindi, cancel na natin ito. Next, we have 2x minus 15 times the quantity of x minus 1. FOIL method natin, 2x times x, that is equal to 2x squared. Next, outer term 2x minus times negative 1 that is equal to negative 2x. Negative 15 times x, we have negative 15x. And then yung last term, negative 15 times negative 1 that is equal to positive 15. Then combine again the like terms. Copy 2x squared. Negative 2x minus 15x, we will add and copy the sign. 2 plus 15, that is equal to 17x. Then, i-copy ulit natin si last term na 15. So, since hindi ulit sila parehas dito sa original form, cancel. X na yan. Next, we have 2x minus 3 times the quantity of x minus 5. So, we have to use the FOIL method, 2x times positive x, we have 2x squared. Next, outer term, 2x times negative 5, that is equal to negative 10x. Then negative 3 times x is equal to negative 3x. Negative 3 times negative 5 for the last term, we have positive 15. Then combine like terms. Copy lang natin si 2x squared. Then negative 10x minus 3x that is equal to negative 13x plus 15. Right? So, since parehas silang dalawa, ayan, ibig sabihin ito yung factored form natin. Pero try muna natin ito pang apat. So we have 2x times x that is equal to 2x squared, 2x times negative 3 for the outer term that is equal to negative 6x. And then inner negative 5 times x, that is equal to negative 5x. Negative 5 times negative 3, that is equal to negative or positive 15. Then combine the like terms, copy si 2x squared, and negative 6x minus 5x. I-add natin siya, then copy si sign na negative. 6 plus 5, that's equal to 11x plus 15. So, ibig sabihin, ang tamang sagot is we have 2x minus 3 times the quantity of x minus 5. So, ito yung tamang sagot natin. Right? So, another example. Let me clear this one, then let's proceed to another example. So, we have 3x squared minus x minus 10. Okay? So, we have the value of 3x squared minus x minus 10. Kunin na muna natin yung factors ng first and last term. So, what are the factors of 3x squared? So, we have 3x times x. Then, for the last term, meron tayong negative 10. Kukunin natin yung dalawang factors. So, we have negative 1 times positive 10. Positive 1 times negative 10. Negative 2 times positive 5, or positive 2 times negative 5. Yeah. So that's the factors of negative 10. Then after that, i-combine na natin. So ito na yung first natin, first term dito sa binomial natin. So we have 3x minus 1 times the quantity of x plus 10. And then 3x plus 1 times the quantity of x minus 10. Then ito naman, 3x minus 2 times the quantity of x plus 5. 3x plus 2 times the quantity of x minus 5. So, try natin ulit lahat. Let's use the FOIL method para makuha na natin. So, we have first term, 3 times x, 3x times x, that's equal to 3x squared. For the outer term, 3x times 10, that's 30x. Negative 1 times x, that is equal to negative x. Negative 1 times 10, that is equal to negative 10. So, combine natin si like terms, 30x minus x. Copy muna natin si 3x squared, that is equal to positive 29x. Nag-subtract tayo since they have different signs. So, 30 minus 1, that is equal to 29. Then, kukunin natin yung sign ni 30 since mas mataas siya kaysa kay negative x. Then, copy natin si negative 10. So, hindi siya parehas dito sa original form natin. So, x na to. Next, 3x plus 1 times the quantity of x minus 10. First, multiply the first terms. 3x times x, that is equal to 3x squared. Outer term, 3x times negative 10, that is equal to negative 30x. And then, inner term, 1 times x, that is equal to x, or positive x. Then 1 times negative 10, negative 10. Combine again the like terms. Same, since they have different signs, we will subtract. Negative 30 plus x, that's negative 29x minus 10. So, hindi ulit siya parehas dito sa original form. So, x na naman siya. Try natin itong nasa pangalawa. So we have here 3x minus 2 times the quantity of x plus 5. So we have to multiply 3x times x, 3x squared, 3x times positive 5, that is 15x, negative 2 times x, negative 2x, and negative 2 times 5, that is equal to negative 10. Combine again the like terms, 15x minus 2x, that is equal to positive 13x minus 10. So x ulit siya. And then 3x times x, 3x squared, outer term 3x times negative 5, that is equal to 15x or negative 15x. Positive 2 times x, that is equal to positive 2x, then 2 times negative 5, negative 10. Combine again the like terms, copy 3x squared, negative 15x plus 2x, that is equal to negative 13x minus 10. So, hindi ulit siya parehas. So, let's try naman. I-reverse natin itong value ng negative 2 and 5. Unahin natin si positive 5 and negative 2. Unahin naman natin si negative 5 and positive 2. Sige, try natin. So, we have 3x plus 5 times the quantity of x minus 2. So, ang gagawin natin, we use the FOIL method. So, 3x times x for the first term, that is equal to 3x squared. Outer term, 3x times negative 2, that is equal to negative 6x. And then, inner, 5 times x is equal to 5x. And then, outer term or last term, 5 times negative 2, that is equal to negative 10. Then, combine again the like terms. So, negative 6x plus 5x. Magsusubtract tayo since they have different signs. Negative 6 plus 5 is equal to negative 1. So, since x na lang siya ang isusulat natin. And then, copy negative 10. Now, parehas na yung nakuha natin. Ibig sabihin, ito na yung factored form natin. So, kahit hindi na natin to i-try. Kasi nakuha naman na natin ito. So, we have the factored form. 3x plus 5 times the quantity of x minus 2. Alright? So, ito, pinapakita ko lang lahat kung paano natin siya kukunin. Pero if you know already or you have an idea kung ito na yung possible na factored form, yun na muna yung itry nyo. Apo, ito kahit wag nyo na munang itry lahat kasi baka mapuno yung papel nyo sa exam bago nyo makuha yung sagot. Okay? So, yun muna. Titingnan nyo muna yung mas possible na sagot. Alright? Wag nyo na munang isa-isahin. Doon na kayo sa mas malapit. Ito, wag nyo na muna tong isa. Right? So let's have another example. I think meron pa akong dalawang example before kayo naman. Ayan. Let's have 6x squared plus 40x plus 24. Again, first you get the factors of first and last term. So let's get the factors of the first term. We have 6x squared. So we have here 6x squared. Yung factors niya are 6x times x. Okay. Next, get the factors of the last term. So we have here 24. So ano yon? We have 2 times 1 times 24. 24 times 1, 2 times 12, 12 times 2. Yun lang, since they are all positive. Since positive naman yung middle term, yung kukunin natin is positive sign. Sige, let's start first dito sa... meron pa pala. So we have 3 times 8. that is equal to 24 as well. 8 times 3. Meron ding 4 times 6 and 6 times 4. Okay, sige, itatry natin itong nandito. Yan, let's try these values. Yes, so we have the first term. Ito na yung kukunin nating first term. Tandaan nyo na po yan. So we have 6x plus 3 times the quantity of x plus 8. 6x plus 8 times the quantity of x plus 3. And then 6x plus 4 times the quantity of x plus 4. And then 6x plus 6 pala. Plus 6. Then 6x plus 6 times the quantity of x plus 4. Right? So, itry muna natin itong pinakauna. So, we have 6x times x. That is equal to 6x squared. Then, outer term, 6x times 8. That is equal to 48 x. Right? Then 3 times x for the inner term, that's equal to 3x. 3 times 8, that is equal to 24. Then combine the like terms, we will just simply add 48x plus 3x, that is equal to 51x plus 24. So, hindi siya parehas dito sa 40x. So, x na natin siya. Next, 6x times x. We have 6x squared. Outer term, 6x times 3. That is equal to 18x. 8 times x, 8x. Then 8 times 3, 24. Combine again the like terms, 18x plus 8x. That is equal to 26x. 26x plus 24. So, hindi ulit siya parehas. X ulit. Next, 6x plus 4 times the quantity of x plus 6. So, try natin. First term, 6x times x, 6x squared. Outer term, 6x times 6 is equal to 36x. 4 times x, that is equal to 4x. And then 4 times 6, we have 24. And then we will just simply add the like terms. We have 6x squared, 36x plus 40x, that 4x, that is equal to 40x plus 24. Now, since parehas na silang dalawa, ayan, parehas na sila, kahit wag na natin itong itry. So, for sure, mali na ito. Okay? X na to agad. Sige, so ibig sabihin yung factored form niya is, we have 6x plus 4 times the quantity of x plus 6. Ito na yung final answer natin. This is correct. Alright, so again, ang tatandaan nyo lang, after you get the factors of the first term. Okay, pag nakuha nyo na yung factors niya, ito na yung gagamitin nyo as the first term of the binomial dito sa unahan. Yan ang palaging una. And same dito, same lang. Ang kukunin yung idea, first term will be the first term of the binomial. And then last term of the trinomial will be the last term as well of the binomial na i-combine natin. Alright? So, ganun lang siya kadali. So, dito, marami tayong gagawin trial and error. So, basta ang titingnan nyo na lang is yung most possible na pwedeng maging factored form niya. Opo, same lang. Parang ang idea nito is kapag in-add natin yung factors nitong last term natin na nakuha is kailangan itong ito ang kalalabasan. Pero since meron tayong value nitong first term na coefficient, may coefficient tayo sa first term. Yun yung medyo poproblemahin natin. So magta-trial and error pa rin talaga tayo. Okay? Sige, I think meron pa tayo ditong another example. Okay. So we have 8x squared plus 17x plus 2. So ang gagawin natin, again, get the factors of first term. So we have 8x. Okay, palitan muna natin yung kulay. 8x squared, we have 8x times x. And then for the value of 2, yan, medyo madali-daling kunin. Yung factors niya, 1 times 2, 2 times 1. Yun lang. Basic. Okay? So we have 8x times the quantity, or 8x plus 1 times the quantity of 8x, or x plus 2. And then 8x plus 2 times the quantity of x plus 1. Okay? So, sige. FOIL method natin. We have 8x times x, that is equal to 8x squared. Next, 8x times 2 for the outer term, that is equal to 16x. For the inner term, 1 times x, that is equal to 1x, or x na lang. And then, for the last term, 1 times 2, that is equal to 2. Then after that, you combine the like terms. We have 16x plus x. Copy muna natin si first term, 8x squared. Then 16x plus x, or 1x, we have 17x. Then copy the last term, 2. So since nakuha agad natin yung factored form niya, parehas na yung form dito sa original form, ito na yung factored form natin. Ito na yung final answer. So we have the factored form 8x plus 1 times the quantity of x plus 2. Now, feeling ko malilito kayo dito sa part na to. Di ba kinuha nyo na yung FOIL method, nag-FOIL method kayo. After you verify na ito na yung final answer niya, ang titingnan nyo, ang kukunin yung final answer is ito. Opo, baka malito kayo. And ito yung kukunin yung factored form niya. Okay? So, but yun, feeling ko matatanong nyo din kung bakit nag-FOIL method na tayo, pero kanina ang ginawa muna natin is nag-multiply tayo ng inner and outer term. Dito, bakit tayo nag-FOIL method? Because meron na tayong higher value ng coefficient dito sa first term. So, kailangan unahin muna natin siya since mag-multiply na tayo dito sa outer term and inner term. Opo. So, kaya ginamit na natin yung FOIL method para mas madali nyo na makita na yan na talaga yung makukuhang sagot. Mas madaling gamitin yung FOIL method para ma-check nyo na agad yung final answer kasi na-check nyo yung original form, yung kinakalabasan. So ito, ibig sabihin, mali na agad siya kasi nakuha na natin yung final answer dito. Right? So let's see kung meron pang another example. Ayan, sige. Kayo naman, try nyo sagutan itong tatlong problem na to. We have the 9x squared plus 15x plus 4. Second, 14x squared minus 19x squared minus 3x. Next, we have 9x cubed plus 60x squared plus 30x. So, feeling ko medyo malilito kayo dito sa second and third problem because cube na. Naiba na yung tawag dito, yung exponent niya. Pero try nyo pa rin munang sagutan. And then, let's check that on Friday. Right? So, and that is it for this video. Thank you for watching. I hope may naintindihan kayo. And if you have question, you can raise your questions sa comment box or sa chat na lang or kahit sa Schoology natin. Alright? So, yun lang. Ingat kayo sa maghapon. Bye-bye. And for